Here's the app called Floret, Cute Planner and Agenda. So you can just tap Get to install it, double click to install it. This is like self-care planner app. Add beautiful widgets, beautiful calendar, organize your day, daily mood check-in, track your mood over time. And then, yeah, you can just open it up. And yeah, this is the idea. Then you can just allow notifications. And then you can just check in. Here's how it looks like. You can check in different types of things: habit, event, task, gratitude, or just check in with the mood. So then you can just tap here what's making you feel relaxed. Like then you can just select things, and then you can just save it like that. So then that's the first thing you added. And then this app overall is quite cheap. So you can pay once, that's like $6, and that's like a lifetime premium. And that's what you have here. Then you just see your diary in this nice font, a nice design. And then you can see like, yeah, just whole your week, how it looks like, and just nice overview. So yeah, it's just bringing your attention to this app. It is quite cheap. Other apps are more expensive, and you need to pay like, you know, like what you pay here for the lifetime subscription. In other apps you need to pay for a week or for months. So give it a try.